Yeah, good evening, guys. Sorry for the late video. Yeah, the reason for the late video is because I have like lots of factor affecting my time and like my planning. So, and again, I would really want to like always drop the video on Monday instead of Sunday because I would really want to see how price is trying to like close like on the daily time frame before I drop video in every week. So Monday will be very like Monday is going to like be a good day to like drop my video. Let's say like maybe around the midnight or a very early morning on Tuesday, but the midnight on Monday or around this time is very okay for me to drop the video. So let's just go straight to the point. Last week I called price selling from this weekly inverse fair value gap into a monthly into this monthly fair value gap, and fortunately price trade into the fair value gap and even broke out of it. And right now we have this inverse fair value gap, and with what I can see, I believe price is trying to like trade up into this. So I believe I draw, because don't get this very wrong. When making an analysis, I might be wrong at times and I can also be right. So because I'm not despising the fact that okay, price might start selling and then to attack this, then go for this before going for this. It's very possible. It's very possible, but to be logic, like if I'm to like be sincere, we at least my experience, I believe what I can say right now is price trying to like draw into this. Though this is not like despite this is not like despising the fact that okay, we are bearish. This is just like a mere reversal into our draw to then push price down to like our main um before it start pushing price back to like our main target, because initially I had this target. After price broke out of this, I've shift like I've already shift my target to this. So I believe where we are approaching right now, like the next place we are approaching is this monthly fair value gap, and I don't want to have that annotated because I don't want the chart to look very rough like that. So we can see this a weekly inverse fair value gap, and we can see how price is trying to like react around there. After price traded into the weekly inverse fair value gap, you can see how it closed. It closed in the weekly inverse fair value gap, like it didn't close below it. Assuming price closed below this, then this would have become like another story for the day. But right now, with what I can see the new developing weekly time frame is trying to like gravitate out of this. Though I don't have like my full confirmation already, but with what I can see, if the daily time frame can close, if I can see the daily time frame close at least in this daily time frame, or at least if it can close in this or close above this, at least I would really even want to see it close above. I would want to see it close above this weekly fair value gap, this weekly inverse fair value gap, or at least close in this, and then we can then see like our next candle, like the next day Tuesday candlestick trying to like trade out of that. Then I believe even at the long run market doing that, we can say that okay, if we should go to like the 4 hours the 4 hours time frame, we might see like a possible trade idea to then trade into intended target, um the monthly fair value gap, the previous one we had a price book out of. So right now price is like, I don't really have like a lot of doubts and price trying to like draw to this. I really think the way the monthly candle, the daily candle movement is like, the way it's moving, like I'm not having a doubt in price being bullish at least for a while to trade into like a draw. So it depends on how the Monday candlestick, depends on how it's closed. So that's what I'm really looking at. So let me just go to the daily time frame to see. So we what we can see that the price actions on the 4 hours time frame is claiming bullishness. We can see, and this also is not this daily fair value gap is not what I expect price to like break out of very easily. So at least maybe before on London tomorrow we might just see price. So once I can see price trade above this, if I can see price trade above this and close around something around somewhere here, so I'll just like look for an opportunity to ride price into this. So I'm very serious about that. Once I can see like a close of kind of market, if market can close above this, as you can see, it's respecting these 4 hours order block. So it didn't violate like the low. So if I can see a close of market around this zone, at least above this, then I'm going in with like a position. So even if I should see like the 4 hours this thing, I would really want to like enter around that London session. So if I should see something like this around London session, towards London session, I'm going in without like any doubt. So I would really know, okay, we are driving into this. So that's the key for um so that's just like one of the conditions I want to meet markets before I at least know, okay, we are trading in this into this, because even overnight we might just like see a different scenario of price just trading downward, and then we have another narrative. Though the narrative is not like, the bias is still clear. My bias is bearish for now, but at least I expect, like, I don't really believe we are gonna see like a very big expansion like this, and we won't see like a little bit of retracement. At least I want to see price in this monthly fair value gap. So that's what I have on the XY. So let me just move to EU. We can see we are having like a very similar price action. So how am I going to like how am I going to like analyze this right here? Let me just say, okay, we have this also. We have this also. This is also an inverse fair value gap. This also is like an inverse fair value gap. And for me to like say that, okay, I want to see price, like if I really want to see price trade down, if I really want to see price take this candlestick, because um my main bias on EU right now, I'm saying that, okay, the I made mention that DXY is very bearish. Meanwhile, if I'm bearish on DXY, I'm bullish on EU. So right now I'm having same thing. Same thing is playing out because I'm still bullish on EU. But I would really want to see price decrease a bit, at least previous into this previous monthly fair value gap. So if price is going to be bearish, if I'm going to like expect bullish price action on EU, I would at least expect it to like trade down to this monthly fair value gap. So and how so I made mention that okay, if price is going to like be bearish a little bit, at least I would want to see it retrace into this, and also like once it retraces into this, it's going to like complement like trading in the body of previous week candlestick, and then also we have an inverse fair value gap around here that would really like make sense for price to like trade down into this before we can then say okay, um want to go for this high, go for this high, this fair value gap, and then this high. So this is also very like pretty simple. So let me just watch um our price is like trading around this, is playing around this my key level. As we can see, Clyde's Monday's price action is closed below the weekly inverse fair value gap. It's closed below it, and then we have like another day. This Tuesday candle, like it's already like opening. So for me to like see price close below this like a very big confirmation for me that okay, price is intending to like trade lower. So let me just go to like the daily this thing. So this also is claiming same thing as DXY. This also like is telling us is like is really telling us that okay, okay, look at this. For us to have, because I believe like this is like a manipulation already. And if we can see price taking out this high, like it's very certain that we would see price take out this and go for this. So right now, I believe like this type of price action like is key for us seeing price taking this, because right here also you can see okay, this also is like screaming same thing, because I can just say okay, this also like manipulation already, like price took out these stops. So with the way price is like playing around this, it's claiming price trying to like sell into this. So overnight, if I can see price trading at least below this low, so that would be like it's going to like be like how can I put it, like one of the factors that would make me to like be very certain that okay, price is trading into this. And seeing what we have on EU, because this is not like a lot of opportunity for me to like take price down into this, so I might not just like take anything, I might just be sideline, because I would really want to like, even if I'm staking my money on something, I would really want to like see a very good return, not something like this. Though it's like I'm not though if I should like see a trade that when I manage it I'm going to like get like a very good RR, but this is not like, it's very close to the PDRA already, because even seeing these I'm having like a thought that okay, price might just trade into this key level and then start to gravitate. So depends on what price decides to do, but with the way price closed on the daily time frame, like I'm very certain that it's possible for price to draw into this, because this is like my draw. I believe price is trying to draw into this. So once price draw into this, I would watch how price trade tomorrow to then know okay, how we are going to like attack this high, then other PDRs. So that's how I'm viewing AU. I don't really have a lot to say on this pairs. So going to good right now. Um on good, we can see we can see price have been like consolidating for like 1, 2, 3, 4, like for like 4 weeks now. Price has been like consolidating. So like the price action, because I had like a target of price getting to 3K, and last week once price draw into this um weekly fair value gap, I was like having the thought that okay, we are going to like break this all-time high to then get to 3K. But price did like it used to like do. So right now on the daily time frame, I was really expecting price to, because once I saw price doing this, once I saw price doing this, and I see price taking out this high, I have it at the back of my mind that okay, for sure, I have it at the back of my mind that okay, for sure, market is trying to like get to this. And when price gets to this inverse fair value gap, it took out it took out this low, and we can see the way price is playing around this key level on the 4 hours time frame. Like it closed, you can see where it closed, like it closed in this key level, like it didn't close below this key level. So if price can remain like this till tomorrow, and getting to tomorrow, I can see like a fair, like a PDRA around this, closing above this, I'm going in straight up. And if I'm going to like, if I'm going to even do that, I would really want to like, I would favor seeing DXY also getting ready to start selling, because right now, looking at price, our prices, I believe price would want to like trade into this at least before we start to like see bearish price action on DXY. And we might also, I also made mention, we might also see price trying to like start selling right from here. So seeing price, once DXY is ready to start selling, I'm also start and I can see like okay, gold is like also trying to like, if I can see like a bearish momentum around this key level, like if I can see like a PDRA around this key level, closing above this key level, then I'm going in. So I don't really have a lot to say on DXY. So let's just keep the video short like this. So um I'm wishing you guys good life and good trading. Thank you.